This story has really caught my eye because I think it speaks so acutely to some of the challenges that even China's domestic giants like Nongfu face when it comes to navigating this landscape of increasing political correctness under President Xi Jinping. And so essentially this was all triggered when the founder of Nongfu Spring's main rival, Wahaha, passed away in late February. And that sort of sparked these unfavorable comparisons between these two founders, between links, apparently, but with the US by Choong Shan, the founder of Nongfu Spring's son. And that's had quite a tangible impact on the stocks that we've seen so far. It has become one of the worst performers on the HSCEI since that date, as you can see here. We also had about $3 billion lost in market cap since the passing of Choong. Now, the stock has dropped about 5% over that period, even as the bulk of its peers have actually seen improvements.
Yeah, and the comments that you're getting on social media, we were talking about it earlier this week. I mean, they're even like, what, throwing Nongfu Spring water down the drain and the like. What are you seeing, Rebecca? Yeah,
let's dig a little bit deeper because some of it is apparently quite far-fetched. We had even some users holding up the red bottle cap of Nongfu against a white A4 saying it looked like the Japanese flag, and a lot of commentators drawing these comparisons apparently between the supposedly Japanese design elements of the bottle inspired, they say, by the architecture, by decorations from Japan. And as you say, we've also had this spate of videos of people pouring away their Nongfu Spring products down the toilet or emptying the fridges of all of these products too, and also these calls for boycotts.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Have we heard any response from the founder at all? What are they saying?
Yeah, so Choong Shan came out quite early on with a statement, and that sort of reiterated that he and the founder of Wahaha had put their sort of competitive spirit behind them, that he had respect for Choong, but it really didn't do much to try and stem some of that debate online. We also did see Hu Xijin, who is a sort of prominent commentator online, former editor of the state broadcaster Global Times, saying that Chinese people need to adjust their expectations for entrepreneurs like this, that they cannot expect them to be saints and that they have to sort of be more realistic. But all of this is to say that this whole event really sort of jars somewhat, I think, for some of this push that Beijing is trying to make. I mean, it is precisely these domestic giants like Nongfu that Beijing is hoping is going to actually lift them out some of the slower economic growth that they are in.